Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Cruising with the Case Handler. It's a show on personal injury law. No, I'm not an attorney. I'm a big businessman, but I'm not an attorney. I stopped at the MBA side, and my friend here, he went with law. So let's welcome Adam Handler, the Case Handler, the top personal injury attorney on the radio station 93.5 WVIP FM, and of course, out here in this world. He represents New Jersey and New York. So if you ever get into an accident, no need to follow the billboards. They're not going to treat you like family. Adam Handler will be the one that touches your case. He touches every single case in his firm where personal injury is concerned. Adam Handler, welcome, man. How you doing?
Hey, good morning. How you doing, brother? This is Adam Handler, of course, your case handler. Welcome to Cruising with the Case Handler, a show about personal injury, just so you guys out there know and continue to reinforce the message that I'm out here willing to help you and your family if, God forbid, disaster strikes. And of course, that's regardless of your immigration status. A lot of people call, you'd be surprised, actually saddened, Squeeze, by people that call my office and say, I'm out of status. Can I still do something? And the answer is 1000% yes. You are entitled to file a claim. You are entitled to file a case in the courts. Regardless of your immigration status, doesn't matter who you are, why you're here, where you're from. If you've been hurt through the fault of somebody else, you are absolutely entitled to money to compensate you for your pain and suffering, for your medical bills, and even your lost time out of work. So we help you get all that stuff the first time because there are no redos. One chance, one choice, and of course, I am your case handler. Squeeze, we got a great show today highlighting a very, very special case for a gentleman that picked up a $1 million settlement check. We posted it yesterday on social media, on Instagram. What's the one for? What's the one?
$1 million. You need to say that like 3 times.
Well, I've done it so many times that maybe I'm just, I'm just used to it, right? I'm the $1 million man. $1 million settlement, tax free.
That's what I want to hear.
Is that better? Is that better? A $1 million settlement,
life-changing money, as you would say.
Oh, absolutely. Well, listen, it should be because it was a life-changing injury. The insurance company in this case was giving us the runaround for years. Refused to pay the money. It was a $1 million insurance policy. We got every single penny. At one point, towards the very end, they wanted to know if we could save them, a couple of $1,000s. I said, "Are you kidding me? Come on. If it's worth $990,000, it's certainly worth $1 million. We're not going to do that. We're not going to sell our client short." And we posted on social media yesterday. We posted it on our case handler Instagram page, case handler Facebook page. And for those of you who do not follow the case handler on Instagram and Facebook, this is your formal invitation to do so. Is that you?
There's some background music, man. That's all.
Oh, okay. All right. We're almost at 9,200 followers on Instagram. If you would do me the honor and help me get to that 10,000 mark, I would be so appreciative. We'll do something special for sure if we can get to that 10,000 follower mark on Instagram. But ladies and gentlemen, whether it's social media, whether it's on this show, with music or without background music, Squeeze, you're weird, man. The message is the same. We are here to help you and your family obtain financial justice for that injury. Squeeze.
Absolutely.
Let's hear this jam. What are we playing right now?
It's just, there's some background music.
Is this to get us through hump day?
There's just, nice background music. Sometimes we hear, need a little bit underneath it, But listen, speaking about that, ladies and gentlemen, don't let the music is just for your entertainment purposes and just to make the show be more wholesome. But, every day I get on this station and it may seem like I'm tooting his horn. That did not come out right. That did not come out right. It might show that I'm showing off Adam Handler, but I am. I really am, because it's my job to get the message across to you that seriously, if you get hurt, I don't want you to go to another attorney because I know what this attorney is capable of. And I've heard the nightmares. And when I say nightmares, when people go to other attorneys, I mean, let's ask yourself, all those people who got into accidents and did not go to Adam Handler, when you got your check, did you have a second thought that said to yourself, you know, I felt I should have gotten more. I don't believe my attorney worked as hard as he should. If you're getting that feeling, yes, you went to the wrong attorney. I'm telling you, the people that Adam have spoken with and settled cases for, in the end, they are so happy, so elated. That's how I want you to be, ladies and gentlemen. So right now, note this number. We haven't given out the number yet. The number is 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. Everyone needs to have that number in their smartphones. I don't know why they even call it smart anymore. It's just a phone. 844-774-3529. That's 844-PPIDLAW. And just to let you understand what Adam is all about, let's cut the talking and let him show you right now. If you're watching us on Facebook and YouTube, if you're listening to the radio, hey, turn it up. But let Adam Handler show you what he's capable of right here. Adam?
Yeah, listen, Squeeze, first of all, turn off that music. It's driving me crazy. Please, for the love of God.
At the same time, man. Go ahead.
Maybe if it was a song that I actually liked, I wouldn't mind. But, you know, this show is great for many reasons. And one of the most powerful aspects of this show, Squeeze, is the difference that, you know, the case handler team shows. Because lawyers are out there, you know, left and right, telling you how good they are. And we're doing something different. Instead of telling you how good we are, we're showing you how great we are. And for those of you listening on 93.5 FM, thank you so very much. You've been listening to me for 17 years. I'm the longest running, most celebrated station in history. You know, check out the Case Handler on Facebook. Check out the Case Handler on Instagram. We're streaming live right now on Facebook. We cut them up and put it on Instagram later in the day, but you'll see with your own very eyes the exceptional legal work that we provide. And you can see here that, you know, we are featuring this case right now live on the radio. And it's a $1 million settlement. And Squeeze, you could see under that mask, do you see the smile I got right there going on?
Yeah,
handing that $1 million settlement check to this gentleman.
I see that. But you know, you want to know what I also see, Adam? Is that a cane that he has in his?
It is, and he's used that cane, unfortunately, every day since he got hit by that forklift. You know, $1 million is certainly life-changing money, but like I said a few minutes ago, he had a life-changing injury. You don't get $1 million if you're not mashed up. That's really just what it comes down to. You get $1 million check, you got problems. You have surgery, you've been out of work. It's no bueno, as they say in French. But Squeeze, you know, we did our best to make it right, and we got him the maximum amount, you know, the first time around. Would you read that quote? Would you read that quote for everybody? Because then I want to play the audio on this.
All right. If I ever need a lawyer again, the case handler will be my lawyer. Adam and Matthew are the best. I recommend them every time. Duelan from the Bronx. $1 million settlement, the maximum policy limit.
Yep. He was at work dropping off some scrap metal. A forklift operator was not paying attention, backed into him, causing an injury to his back and his leg. This is what he had to say after he picked up that $1 million check, Squeeze.
Adam Angelo, Matthew Goodstein is the best. He's my greatest lawyer. I love what he do for me. I get a big lick and then fix it. Respect. I love what you do for me, Mr. Matthew and Mr. Adam. Thank you for my sacrament. Okay.
Not a man of many words, but sincere. I mean, you know, listen, this gentleman had a ton of options, people coming at him left and right, to take his case and work on his case, but he knew what's up, just like the thousands of people before him who have helped obtain millions and millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars for. They know what's up. This gentleman, I'm playing another one. I love this one. This is yesterday, picked up a $90,000 settlement check. We turned down offers of 25, 35, 45, 75, and 85,000. We kept pushing, we kept pushing, we kept pushing to 90,000.
What I want to say about Adam, he's a great person and he's the best attorney I dealt with. And the main thing was for me how much he's friendly, how much he's responsible, and he answered every question, every email right away within like sometimes even 3-5 minutes. And his personality is the most thing I like about him. Plus to his job, his great job, what he did. But the most from the very beginning, I liked how his personality, how he treating me, how he's answering me for every question. He's just, for me, he's number one.
And this client's actually listening right now because he just gave some peace signs. We won't use his name, but brother, thank you so much. I was just listening to that endorsement for the first time this morning. And you are amazing as well. This was an intelligent, responsive, responsible, and engaged client, which certainly helped make my job a lot easier. So you are a supporter listening live right now. I mean, this is the community we've built. We're settling cases. We're changing lives. We're on social media. We're talking about it. We're playing the audio. These individuals are listening and sharing right now on social media the content. It is unbelievable, Squeeze, what we've accomplished as a team, getting the word out to the community, New York, New Jersey, and beyond, that there is a difference. There is an attorney that's willing to fight for you. There is an attorney that is preventing you from being a victim twice. There is a third-generation attorney. My family's been practicing personal injury in New York for nearly 100 years. My grandfather started in 1932. You are not in this business for a century if you don't know what the hell you're doing and you're not really, really, really good at what you do, Squeeze.
Absolutely. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the show, Cruising with the Case Handler, it's a personal injury law show. It's the #1 law show in the nation where personal injury is concerned. And you have the top personal injury attorney, Adam Handler, and his team, Matt Goodstein and others, serving you for New Jersey and New York. You all should note this number, dial the number, let it ring 15, 20 seconds. So this way it's registered on your phone. The number is 844-774-3529. No, we don't plan to get into accidents, but they will happen. It's just when. 844-774-3529. That's 844-PPIDLAW. We featured 2 cool testimonies today. Cool because Adam did a wonderful job for them, and they were very happy that he represented them. Don't make a mistake and choose another. Go with Adam Handler at 844-774-3529.
And
yes,
props to Matt Goodstein, my associate. You know, he took the lead on that $1 million settlement case. He was relentless, and we really do have the best legal team here at Pollock Isaac DeSico. The people that I've surrounded myself helping, further the cause, further the justice, further the environment that we've strived to provide for our clients is unbelievable, Squeeze. And you're absolutely right. Accidents will happen. You can never prepare for an accident. Doolin was not prepared to get hit by a forklift. The other gentleman, Mr. M, we'll call him, wasn't expecting to get rear-ended while stopped at a red light. But accidents do happen. And while you can't prepare for them, you can prepare for your response. So what is your response going to be is my question to you, ladies and gentlemen, when disaster strikes. Are you going to go with the first attorney that you see on TV? Are you going to go with somebody that runs up to you at the scene of the accident? Or are you going to use your head and do your due diligence and make sure that you have the best possible attorney fighting for you and your family when disaster strikes. You got one chance to get it right. There are no redos. One chance, one choice, and of course, I am your case handler.
Thank you all so much for joining us, ladies and gentlemen. Prior results do not guarantee similar outcome, but I hope you all stored the number. Let me give it out 3 more times. 844-PPIDLAW. That's 844-774-3529. 844-774-3529. Make sure you check out the show each and every single weekday between 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. And also, of course, on Fridays between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. Saturdays between 6 and 8. And Sundays between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. I'm David Squeezaniki, your broadcaster. And of course, thank you, Adam Handler, our attorney. We'll catch up with you another time.
Thanks so much, brother. Appreciate it.
Anytime.